Anders, sauna's not ready yet. Give me 10 minutes and I'll meet you in the workshop and I'll show you what I do. Hey guys, sorry about that. Anders came a little bit early. We have over 3 million saunas here in Finland. It gets super cold, but enough about that. Let's get inside. Hey guys, welcome to my workshop. This is where the magic happens. This is where I do my furniture, my wood turnings, small things, trinkets. A couple months back I made a beautiful ash vase. I really love the wood grain in it. I think it turned out beautifully. Another smaller thing that I made was this oak vase as well. A little bit smaller. Really love it. And of course treat it with Rubio Monocoat. And like all the other woodworkers, I'm a tool geek. I really love my hand tools. Come check this out. It's a ball gouge that I got from Ashley Hardwood with a really cool feature. A detachable carbon fiber handle. How cool is that? So that was the workshop. Really glad that you guys dropped by. For more projects, check out my Instagram account, 𝗪𝗲𝗃liche. For now, I gotta finish this drawer with Rubio Monocoat. Anders, I do think that sauna's not ready. It's time for you to go.